Imagine you're walking around with a tiny gadget that instantly grabs attention the moment you pull out your keys. Now imagine having not just one, but a whole lineup of mini tech toys, quirky tools, and clever little inventions that turn your everyday carry into something way more fun. Hey everyone, I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. If you love cool gadgets, smart accessories, and tech that makes life just a little more exciting, make sure to subscribe. Now, let's dive into today's amazing lineup of pocket-sized magic. Let's start with something every car lover is going to appreciate. If you've ever dreamed of carrying a piece of automotive engineering in your pocket, you're going to love the turbocharger keychain. This tiny gadget isn't just a decoration, it actually spins just like a real turbo. The moment you flick it with your finger, it whirls with that smooth, satisfying motion that every car enthusiast knows and loves. It's one of those small things that makes people ask, wait, does that really spin? And yes, it does. It's perfect for anyone obsessed with engines, speed, or simply having something fun to fidget with while waiting in line. Now, let's jump from the world of cars straight into the universe of superheroes. You've probably seen the Infinity Stones in the movies, the glowing gems that could literally bend reality. But how about holding them in your own hand? These tiny Infinity Stone collectibles fit right on your keychain or desk setup. Each stone has its own color and design, and together they look absolutely stunning, especially under light. They're perfect for Marvel fans who want something iconic but subtle. Something that says, yes, I'm a fan, and yes, I have good taste. It's also a great conversation starter because someone will always ask, so which stone would you choose if you could only pick one? Speaking of eye-catching gadgets, let's talk about something that feels straight out of a futuristic workspace, a smart LCD keychain. This tiny device may look simple at first, but the moment it lights up with a customizable display, it changes everything. You can add photos, animations, quotes, or even your own mini digital art. Imagine your keys glowing with a pixel animation of your pet, or your initials in a slick cyber-style font. It's small, it's modern, and it makes your everyday carry feel like a tiny piece of future tech. And the best part? You can switch designs anytime. One day it's cute, the next day it's cool. Your choice.
Now, let's switch gears completely. If you're someone who loves movies, the Minions need no introduction. These chaotic little yellow creatures show up, do absolutely ridiculous things, and somehow make everyone laugh. Minion keychains bring that same fun energy straight into your pocket. Some of them come with tiny goggles, some with funny expressions, some holding props, and they look like they're ready to cause trouble at any moment. And if you clip one onto your backpack or keys, it instantly adds a playful vibe. Plus, their goofy faces are a great mood booster when the day gets stressful. But not every gadget in your pocket has to be cute. Some need to be practical, and that's where the fingerprint padlock comes in. Imagine never having to remember a combination or dig for a key again. Just tap your finger and the lock opens instantly. It's fast, secure, and surprisingly durable for such a small size. Perfect for lockers, bags, or even travel. And the cool thing is, it feels almost like unlocking a sci-fi device. Just touch and go. It's one of those tools you don't realize you needed until you get one. Since we started with a turbo keychain, it's only fair we come back to the world of mechanics again. This time with a gearbox keychain. Instead of spinning like the turbo, this one shifts. Yes, you can actually move the tiny gear stick just like a miniature manual transmission. It clicks into each position with that satisfying mechanical feel, making it the perfect fidget tool for anyone who loves cars. You can pretend you're shifting gears even when you're sitting at your desk. And trust me, it's way more fun than clicking a pen. Now, here's something on the spookier side, a horror eye keychain. Imagine a tiny eyeball staring right back at you, designed with creepy details that make it look almost alive. Some versions even blink or wiggle when you shake them. It's perfect for fans of horror, Halloween lovers, or anyone who likes a bit of creepy charm in their everyday carry. You'll definitely get reactions from people who notice it hanging from your backpack or keys. Some will love it, some will jump, and either way, you just made their day a little more interesting.
But maybe you're more into anime. If that's the case, anime keychains come in endless styles. Iconic characters, logos, weapons, chibi designs, and so much more. Whether you're into action, romance, fantasy, or slice of life, there's a keychain that represents your favorite world. And the cool thing is, anime fans recognize each other instantly. Just flash a keychain from a show you love, and suddenly strangers become friends. It's more than decoration, it's a tiny piece of identity. Now let's go from fandoms to something downright quirky, the fountain drinking keychain. This miniature gadget looks like a tiny drinking fountain, and surprisingly, it works. A small squeezer push sends a tiny stream of water upward. It's adorable, funny, and absolutely unnecessary, but in the best way. It's the kind of gadget that makes people smile because it's so random. And that's exactly what makes it great. A real dose of silly fun in a world that's often too serious. Next up, a gadget that packs surprising power for its size, the Woobin G2. This tiny flashlight is no joke. Despite being incredibly compact, it blasts out an impressive amount of brightness, perfect for nighttime walks, emergencies, or just finding the keyhole in the dark. It's built tough, has multiple brightness levels, and clips easily onto bags or key rings. When you pull it out and turn it on, people are always shocked by how bright it is for something so small. It's the definition of small but mighty. If you love mixing tech with nostalgia, you're gonna appreciate this next one, a custom CD with NFC. Imagine a tiny CD-shaped accessory that isn't actually used for music, but instead works like a digital business card, link launcher, or personal hub. Just tap it with your phone and it can open a playlist, a website, your profile, portfolio, anything you choose. It blends retro vibes with modern technology, and it's perfect for creators, musicians, or anyone who wants a cool way to share information. It's one of those gadgets that makes people go, "Whoa, how did you do that?"
And finally, let's wrap up with something rugged and explosive in style, the Keychain Nade. It's shaped like a mini grenade, but don't worry, it's totally safe. Some versions work as bottle openers, some as lighters, and some are purely for aesthetics. Either way, it looks awesome and adds a bold look to your keychain setup. Whether clipped to a travel bag or hanging off your EDC pouch, it gives off that tough, tactical vibe. It's the kind of accessory that instantly stands out. So there you have it, a whole collection of gadgets ranging from practical to playful, cute to creepy, futuristic to nostalgic. Each one brings its own personality, its own charm, and its own story. Which one grabbed your attention the most? Was it the spinning turbo, the smart LCD keychain, the fingerprint padlock, or maybe the tiny grenade? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing which gadgets you enjoy most. If you had fun exploring with me today, make sure to subscribe to Miraz Tech for more awesome discoveries. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.